फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल नमान बेबी। और आप देख रहे हैं कि कैट मम्मा का प्यार उनके किटन्स की ओर। एज वी ऑल नो दैट मम्मा लव्स always loves their babies. See, mama is very curious. Her eyes are looking for any danger. As she is a street cat, so she still thinks that something bad can happen with her. We rescued her with her kittens 1 month ago. Meow, meow. There is nothing suspicious there. Nothing is this side, but she's looking very curiously as something bad is going to happen. See, nothing is there. Nothing is here. Oh. The cat is very cute. Don't fear. Hey, don't fear. Nothing is going to happen. Okay? All will be okay. So guys, it's a small video for mama cat with her kittens. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.